Did we get hammered today? Did we get hammered because investors are finally starting to realize that the coronavirus is a very destructive force for economies? Dow plunged 228 points, S&P plummeted 1.05%, NASDAQ nosedived 1.79%. As profit takers came out in force, especially in big tech, recognizing the Chinese economy is going to go maybe offline. And going offline can't be good news for the United States. The yield on the 30-year Treasury, well, it fell to record lows. That worries me. Yes, that's got to be a danger signal, and not just a windfall for home buyers, right? All the action today seems to tell us that the bad news out of China is finally translating into bad news. It's almost a total delayed reaction. You know, it should have been a week ago, because our economy remains deeply intertwined with theirs. So many of our companies rely on Chinese suppliers for everything from trim, like in clothing, to buttons, essential medications, telco components, all sorts of technologies. We're really much more intertwined than people realize. I think we're right to be worried. I think we're right to respect this blow-off that started yesterday and truly accelerated into the bell today. It was a terrible day. China's currently conducting the largest quarantine in human history to prevent this virus from spreading. You better believe that has an impact on commerce. These containment measures were only ever meant to be temporary, hopefully getting us to April when the weather heats up and flu season traditionally ends. It's only, people, a delaying reaction. As we're seeing now with the outbreak spreading beyond China, the Korean numbers, frankly, took my breath away. With that coronavirus prism top of mind, and it must stay top of mind until some antivirals are discovered that can knock it out, I remain hopeful. What is the game plan for next week? Well, first, before we get into it, as you can see, all week, this is what we're going to be focused on. We do a nightly program here, too. It's really important. It was key to the reversal today. It's why the blow-off occurred. On Monday, we hear from HP, which is currently trying to fend off Xerox's attempt to get the two companies to merge. HP wants to remain independent, and a strong earnings report and a concomitant rally will help them do that if they can pull it off. After the close, Palo Alto Networks, PANW, reports. Last time, the cybersecurity kingpin delivered a terrific quarter, and the stock rallied accordingly. This time, it could be a little tougher. So far, we've gotten results from two cybersecurity plays, CyberArk and Zscaler, both disappointed. I believe Palo Alto has become a better one-stop shop than either of those two, thanks to a series of acquisitions. I love the conviction level of CEO Nikesh Arora last time he came on the show.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.